Hi guys, so it's going on to Turffontein, the Saturday meeting. It looks like a lot of favorites in the beginning, but it gets tough at the end of it. So I'm going to go for a place accumulator and hopefully we can cash in. Race 3, I'm going 2 horses, 3 Turn It Up and 4 Gone Cold. Follow that horse, it's a really good horse. Race 4, I'm going 4 horses, 1 Utsa, 2 Nicholson Landing, 3 Made to Measure and 5 Be My Fate. Race 5, I'm going with Gimme the Spotlight, number 1 and number 5 Pompeii Shield. In race 6, I'm going with 4 One More Star and 8 Copper Plate. Race 7 is a really tricky race. I'm going 1 Chrome Tourmaline, 5 Poblano, 7 Frozen Fantasy and 8 Galantha. I'm bankering Boom Boom in race 8, and in the last I'm going with Rodeo Drive and Minogue. That's going to be my play for the day. The 3 horses out of the 4 that we tipped for Fairview has all come home, so I hope you guys made a few bucks. But yeah, let's see if we can hit it hard today. Cheers.
Good evening to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Azar previewing Saturday 21st of March, Turffontein Standside Track, with the feature race being the Sycamore Sprint. I'm going to go straight into the card. My best bet comes up in race 3, number 3, Turn It Up, Sean Terry, Keegan DeMello. I think this is the best bet on the card. I think it's going to be a very precocious horse here, and I think this horse will go places. Then I'm going to move on to my value bet. Race 7, number 12, Vanacam. Mano Pandarim, Cabela Matsunyani rides. Cabela gets on very well with this horse. 3 rides, 2 wins. This horse is back against its own sex now. I think she's a massive runner at around 14, 16 to 1. I think it's tremendous value. Then we move on to race 9, number 1. I'm going with the class again. William Robertson, Corne Spish, Ryan Munger. What more can you say about the sprinter? He's just top class, 17-time winner. I think he'll be tough to beat again. So boys, you could take the treble, Turn It Up, Vanacam. You can take Win or Place and William Robertson. Boys, hit them hard tomorrow. Let's get out of it. Take your bets at soccershop.bet. Cheers, guys. God bless.
Good day, punters. This is the Punter's Rabbit. I trust you all well. Firstly, a big shout out to Glistian for this initiative, giving us the opportunity to share our selections, our insight, and our betting propositions with you. We really appreciate that, and we are grateful. We go to Turffontein tomorrow. We're going to do our place strike again as follows. Race 5, Green Machine. Race 6, Poplar Park. Race 7, Rachel Wall. Race 8, Too Late My Mate. And we'll try our pick 6 banker again, which will be Utsa in race 4. Guys, bet wisely. In for a penny, in for a pound. Have fun and happy punting.
What's up, guys? It's Ashley here. I'm doing the preview for Turffontein Saturday. I'm going to only take a double. It's a 40-1 double. I actually like it quite a lot. It's a Mark de Kock horse called Calathina in race number 7. And then in race 8 is Boom Boom, number 5. I think if those two can really come to the party, they've got really good winning chances. 40-1. I'm definitely going to try and break that piggy bank because I'm very, very confident with this double. There's a lot of other horses out there, but again, early on in the day, there's a lot of favorites. And like I said, I don't like to tip favorites, and I like to try and find us some value. So this double, I think, is going to give us some tremendous value for the day. So happy punting, and let's see if we can get this going. Cheers, guys.
Hi guys, Donnie here. We're tipping Turffontein on Saturday. Recapping today at Fairview, our value bet Anushka's World came home for us at 33-10, and unfortunately our best bet just got nosed on the line in the last Mentor et Manu, but hopefully you guys still made some money on Anushka's World. Going to Turffontein, gonna tip you guys 2 horses straight double for the day. Race 3, Turn It Up, 9-10, Sean Terry Yard, think this is a quality horse in the making and going to be proved very hard to beat there. And race 5, give me the Spotlight, 7 to 10. Very unlucky last time coming from last. I think this is the perfect race for him and he's going to break his maiden there. The straight double would get you about 22 to 10. Not much value, but I think you guys can pour it on them. And I think this is almost a bet that can't lose tomorrow. The rest of the card looks very dodgy indeed. And I would play very wide and save your money because I think we got a big day ahead of us for Greyville on Sunday. Cheers, guys.